Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make perfect enchiladas. Start by prepping all ingredients and preheating your oven to 375 degrees F. Chop onions, grate cheese, and shred chicken or prepare beans as your main filling. Warm corn or flour tortillas briefly on a skillet for pliability. Assemble enchiladas tightly, seam side down, in a greased baking dish. Cover with sauce and cheese, then bake until bubbly and golden around the edges. Choose fillings that suit your taste and cooking time, and prep them evenly. For chicken, simmer with onion and spices, then shred for easy rolling. For beef, brown and simmer with a bit of broth to keep it moist. Roasted vegetables and black beans work great for a vegetarian option and bring depth. Keep fillings slightly saucy, but not soupy to avoid soggy tortillas in the final bake. Sauce choice defines the enchilada's character, so simmer ingredients to marry flavors. If using dried chilies, toast and rehydrate them before blending for a smoky depth. Thin sauces slightly if they are too thick, but avoid runny textures that soak tortillas. Spoon sauce into the baking dish first, nest the rolled enchiladas, then ladle more sauce and cheese on top before baking until bubbly and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.